All right, let's say I have two apps set up in a split screen view on my Android tablet, but I then want to swap the order of the apps and change which one is on the left and which one goes to the right. The toggle for flipping the order is a bit hidden, but we can do it by tapping those three dots in the divider line between the apps. When I tap it, you'll see a small button with two arrows, one pointing left, one pointing to the right. That allows me to flip the order so the app on the left goes to the right and vice versa. Because we're on a tablet with enough screen real estate, there's another way to flip the apps as well. From the same menu, tap the icon that has a divider line move between horizontal and vertical, and you can choose whether your split screen view is set up side by side or stacked to a top and bottom half. There's also a little star button that allows me to save this app pair and layout. Tapping the star allows me to save the app pair to my home screen or taskbar, which is what you see on the bottom of your tablet screen. So even if I close this app pair or close all my apps, or let's say I restarted my tablet, I can just go to the home screen and locate the app pair from there. It remembers which apps I had saved, and it even remembers the order of the apps, so I don't have to change them again. And that's how you change the order of your split screen apps. Click that like button if this helped you, and while you're here, might as well subscribe to my channel. I post similar, simple guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.